Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. It's been like how many days? It's Christmas is done. It's already finished. Then we we are in the like a more steps forward for the new year. It's New Year guys, 2026. Oh my God, thank you Lord for the whole year. And it's already a little how few in a few days we enter a new year. It's like it sounds so fast guys, right? That like every day it's so fast, it's running too fast. Oh, we are all enter a new year guys. How are you doing guys? I hope you're doing well and your holiday season is doing great. I'm glad to hear from you guys. How's your Christmas Eve, your Noche Buena? How are you today guys? I hope you're doing well, all of you. I'm here like combing my hair. It's already dry guys. And yeah. Ano ka ba? Amin sa'yo. Look at this. It's already long, right? Look. Hi guys. Thank you for always watching and for those to all my friends over there, wherever you are guys. Take good care of yourself and I hope you are always in a good health while watching me and every time in your daily life. Thank you so much guys, and to shout out to all my friends that always commented in my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all of you guys. Okay, I want to have a shout out to Mr. Hin and Mr. Iceman. To all of you my friends, it's a big hug for you to always watching on my videos and commenting on my videos. Thank you. I really appreciate your compliment. And thank you so much for the support. Yeah, it's already long now, like before. Thank you for that you all with me in this journey. Yeah, guys, it's already long now, and this is my update of my hair. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you all, guys. And advance happy new year, and prosperous blessed new year to all of you guys. Just always just to be happy and strong, whatever is like obstacles, trials in life. And trials is like the challenges and the trials is always there. It's a part of our life, and yeah, we always fight for it and never give up. Okay, guys, thank you for all. Thank you to all of you. Thank you for watching. And as I always said, keep safe, everyone. And yeah, once again, advance happy new year. And yeah, choosing hap choosing happiness as always, and just to be good to each other, be kind to each other, and love to each other. Bye for now. Peace be with you, and bye. See you in my next video. I think next year. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.